So we've been through that change of character video, and I've gone through recently on how to read the chart with a line chart with your supply and demand trading strategy to simplify it and make it easier. So today's video, we're going to go through and combine those two together. We're going to look at the change of character on a line chart. So if you think this is going to help in your trading and help with your results, make sure you keep watching to the end and don't miss anything. So we're on the pound US dollar pair, currently on the daily time frame. We've got the line chart. Now, let's just go back to the candles quickly. This is a fairly simple, straightforward looking chart, but on some charts we can see a messy chart and you may struggle to actually read those charts with candlesticks. So when we apply the actual line chart, it's going to make it much more cleaner, more crisp for you to see where those trends are sitting, and more importantly, where we're seeing that change of character. So looking at this pair right now, we can identify, make my drawing pen, we can identify where the market's made these bigger swings to downside, and we can identify the smaller swings as the market continues to fall. So yes, we can use the line chart for our trend as we went through in a previous video, and if you didn't see that video, don't worry, continue watching to the end and then you can watch that video up next. Now, when we're looking at a change of character, what are we typically looking for? Well, when I change of character, we're dropping down into the area of demand, let's say. We want to see our change of character basically needs to remove a previous structure high. So we want to see price taking out that high. Once we see price breaking structure, breaking and taking out an area of previous supply in this occasion, then we'll be able to draw out our new area of demand. And it's this area of demand where your change of character comes in and you're looking for buy. Now, many traders are actually looking for this not to be their first entry, waiting for price to continue higher to break the next high, to then leave you a new area of demand and then look for entry out of that zone. Now, that's perfectly fine, but there's no reason you cannot start looking for a trade here once you understand that change of character. So what we're going to do now is look at this line chart on the daily, and we're going to briefly look at where we see the change of character and how you can go through those time frames and start looking for a trade. So as you can see on this chart, we make our last lower high right here in the market. And it's actually this area, let me just get my arrow tool, where is it? This area right here, when this high is broken, this pushed through, is where we have our change of character. Now, of course, this is on a daily time frame, so this could be really powerful once you start to understand this. And it's going to be down here somewhere. You'll be able to draw out your area of demand. That's where we're seeing that change of character, and we're looking for price to pull back. Now, obviously, when you're drawing out your zones, you're going to have to put the candles back on that chart so you can see where that actual zone sits. Now, the zone I'll be drawing from is this bearish candle here, where the market pushes out, breaking this structure high. Now we go back again to that line chart, and you can identify this is our zone. Now we're waiting for price to pull back. Now, obviously, on a line chart, you're not going to see these wicks. If we put price back on the chart once again, we can see that price does in fact come into that zone. But what we have to do is we'll go down to, let's say, a 1 hour time frame at this area. When we see price coming back to this zone, and let me zoom in, this is where you'll apply your change of character as it comes into this area. Now, this is what we call that confirmation entry. Now, everything that I teach in these videos, you can learn in much more detail in the Forex Masterclass. And right now, it is a 12-month payment plan to allow anybody who wants to get that course over the next 12 months can have a payment plan. I've made it easier for anyone to get access. When we see price come in, we don't really penetrate into this zone until this last push in. This then gives you your last lower high. And again, this is your change of character. Now, more importantly, we also take out these lows. And that's what I call a manipulation. And again, this is all inside the Forex Masterclass. And there is some on this channel as well to help you to learn about those manipulations in the market. In fact, I will leave a video above now which will go through how you can look at trading this type of pattern. This is a traditional pattern that we apply and use in the masterclass course over and over again. Now we'll have a new area of demand created at this area on the chart. And you can see that price pulls back into that demand zone. And where are we looking to target? Well, this is my actual target. This is the last or the next previous high. After this high, I expect price to want to remove. And that will be my target on this trade. Now again, once we see this change of character here on the line chart, you then need to go back to the candles. Now we can identify the last bearish candle is this candle right here. You may want to mark off your zone from the low of the wick. Let's go in closer. Now on this occasion, this is what I call a tested zone. Now a tested zone is again something that I do teach in this channel and in more depth inside the Forex Masterclass. Now a tested zone for me means that my entry on this occasion would not be until price gets to that level. That is my entry. So if I'm taking an entry on this change of character, my entry is going to be right to that level. I stop just a few pips below the low of this previous low, and then my target's going to be at this previous high, or this area where we actually marked off using the line chart. Now you can see we've got just over a 5-to-1 risk to reward. That's a quick reversal entry trade. Now you could take a couple of trades here, look to go for further profits, but you don't need to. A good 5-to-1 risk to reward on a 2% trade is giving you a 10% profit on that trade. I've just gone through and shown you this and how you can actually look for an entry with the use of that line chart, showing you that reversal in the market. Now, if we just remove the last three parts we've put on this chart and we'll go to current price, we're going to leave this demand zone where it is. Let's go back when price comes in again. Now we've come back inside the daily zone once again. What are we now seeing again? We can identify as the market comes in, we're making these lower highs. And again, using that change of character, what are you now seeing? We're having a change of character right inside this area. Now for this to be a valid entry, I'd have to see price go below this area here where we previously came in. And what do you see what happened? We went below that level. Now you would need to confirm this with the wicks. Let's have a look on the wick. And again, this is the previous low. We have wicked through that low, showing me that the potential orders are being collected. Now, once you go back to that line chart, we have a valid potential area to take a buy from. You'll be marking out your area here of demand. Now, obviously, once again, you will need to use a combination of the two to be able to mark out your zones. Now, I will be looking at this as my area of demand. And if we quickly go back again to the line chart, where am I going to target? Well, I'll be looking to target this high. So once again, let's place on the area where we'll have an entry here, stop just below. This will be my target. We have nearly a 4-to-1 risk to reward on that trade. You do not need to go for these massive 40-to-1 risk to rewards, but there is a way that I will look at now going down to an even lower time frame here, like the 5-minute or the 15-minute chart, to actually have a smaller stop loss, which will potentially make this trade into a potential 10 or 12-to-1 risk to reward. And that's how you can actually grow your account successfully. So understanding the use of this line chart with a change of character, understanding the use of multiple time frames is how you can become successful, applying the use of the line chart with this change of character. Now, if you've enjoyed what you've seen so far here in this video, don't forget to give me that thumbs up because it helps me know you are enjoying this type of content. And perhaps leave a comment below if there's another video you'd like to see with the use of the line chart, as I know this is something that many traders don't actually explore themselves. Now, like I've said throughout this video, if you want to learn this sort of concept much more detailed, then the Forex Masterclass is perfect for you. And right now there is that 12-month payment plan. It's going to help you to spread the cost of the course and allow you to get access from today. So I do suggest checking that out before that payment plan is removed. The link for that is below in the description of this video. Now, if you want to learn more concepts about the use of the line chart, as I went through and said at the beginning of this video, I did say there will be the video coming up next, which is coming up right now, which will go through the use of the line chart with those order blocks, understanding the use to make your supply and demand strategy more simplified and to help you each step to read the line chart and to understand the flow of price and by using the open and close price of those candles.